So the first aspect of Asana that we're going to talk about is how to work through our homepage. Again, the homepage is where it houses our projects. So we're going to talk about what projects are, how to toggle between projects, what it looks like to work in a project, and how we set up resource tasks inside of projects. So what is a project? A project is a more general, overarching category of different things that happen within Pick of the Month. So for example, one of my favorites is the Pick of the Month admin/operations. This is a very general board for different administrative things happening in Pick of the Month and operational things. We also have more specific projects such as Kelly and the kitchen, which is very specific information for kitchen work. We have blog and social media, which is where you'll find any information or tasks about writing blogs, creating blogs, and social media posts. We also have projects for Pick of the Month email and Pick of the Month marketing and website. If you don't know exactly where you might find a task, it's great to read the names of the different projects because they can tell you about what's going to be in that project before you go into it. So to go into or toggle between projects, you simply click on the square of the project that you want. Now, when you hover over the project, you see these little circles with different pictures in them. These are the different people that have access to and are following these boards. So we'll click on the Pick of the Month Admin and Operations project to go into it. Now, if we find this wasn't the project we wanted to go into, we can just go back to our home page and click on a new project. So let's look at what it looks like to work inside of a project. So again, we'll click on Pick of the Month Admin and Operations. It's a little bit overwhelming at this list that pops up when we go in to Pick of the Month Admin and Operations. So on the right-hand side, we have a description of what this project is. At the top, we'll have the name of the project, a star if you want to favorite it or unfavorite it, the different people following, and the option to share it with more people. As we scroll down, the top of this project has a resource section. So resources is different information that might be valuable, such as logins, inventory or master spreadsheets, USPS information, and when labels and goods are arriving. So, for example, let's say you need to log into the Shopify account. This is a great first place to look for any kind of login information or administrative information about the company. So we'll go into Admin Logins, and we can scroll down into the description box of this resource tab and find our Shopify logins. We also have Amazon logins, social media, GFS information, Reinhardt, etc. Again, you can also find USPS information such as phone numbers, emails, when labels and goods will be arriving, and access to our employee copy of the Piggy master sheet. Now, these resource tasks are never to be completed. They sit here as just an archive of information. Beneath the resource tasks, we have other types of tasks. Now we'll go into what exactly a recurring task is and a to-do list task and different types of tasks when we talk more about creating and working inside of tasks. But for now, this is where we have the information about what needs to be done within this project, whether it's recurring, meaning it happens daily, weekly, monthly, or it's a to-do list task that may just happen one time. On the right-hand side of each task, we can see who has been assigned to it. We can also see different labels explaining more about what the project is or where it is in the process, such as started, waiting on someone, or on track. And we can also find how important or what the priority level of that task is just right here from without clicking into the different tasks.